Welcome back to the Sandbox Tycoon series. In this video, I'm just going to be wrapping up the series and fixing one problem that is very present in the game. So a lot of people think it's with the module, but it's actually something that I told you to do a couple of videos ago. So before we get into the wrapping up part, we're just going to actually fix that glitch. So if you don't know what that glitch is, it's basically when you hit play and you place down an object. So say you have something here, you place down an object, and then it goes crazy like this basically. And now the reason why it's doing that is because you're actually in the client deletion script setting the mouse target filter to nil. And what that's going to do is it's going to make it so that it's not going to ignore the object. So what it's going to do is it's going to try and set, if you have stackable objects enabled, target filter, by the way, if you don't know already, is basically when the mouse, like what the mouse will not detect. So basically you're setting the target filter to nil, meaning that it will detect something. So it's going to try and stack on top of the part, but then it's going to go back down because it gets out of range of the mouse, and then it's going to keep bouncing up and down over and over again. So the quick and easy way to fix this is just to delete this mouse.targetFilter statement right there, and then when we hit play, it should work perfectly fine. All right. So as you can see, we placed down an object, we placed down another one, we placed down another one, and everything works as expected. And yeah, so that's pretty much that. So that's all we're going to be really doing in the code. This is going to be basically just a wrap up. I'm going to be trying to work on an extended series on the Sandbox Tycoon series. So if you're interested in contributing to that, then comment your ideas on things that didn't make it into this series that you want to see in the extended series. So these aren't going to be for sure things that will get done. But comment down below your ideas and I'll see what I can do. Inventory systems and things like that will be a whole nother tutorial on their own if I get around to doing it, because they are much too complicated to be even in an extended series. That's going to be a series of its own or a really long video. So yeah, inventory systems will not be added. Multiple plots, so like if you wanted to expand your plot, that will not be included. The way the placement module is, handled, it is basically impossible to do that anyway. So those two things I can say will not be in the extended series, but feel free to mention anything else that I've missed or that you want to see in the extended series. This is going to be more of a fan-made series, if you will. But yeah, that's basically this video. I have a bunch of videos planned, so stay tuned for that, but I'll see you in the next video.